know you wanna.
Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. What's up? What's up? I wanted to do this intro not in the makeup because it's obviously easier to talk without 4 layers of makeup on and around your mouth. I don't have to worry about messing anything up. But it's finally spooky season. Let's go Disney Channel Halloween movies all October. Like, I'm so excited to watch Halloween Town illegally because I don't have cable. I love October. I love special effects makeup. I love Halloween makeup. I love like the Halloween costume transformations. I just freaking love it, and I'm here for it, and I'm excited about it. So yeah, today I'm going to be recreating a look that I myself created in 2017. And since 2017, my makeup skills are marvelous. They've improved vastly. So yeah, I'm really excited. Let me know what other kind of Halloween videos you guys want to see from me down below, and I will be sure to really bring it with the Halloween tutorials because like I said, I love Halloween. So without further ado, let's get into the look. Hi. Okay, so I am starting out by outlining the teeth on my upper lip, and that's going to be like the upper row of teeth. And then I'm going to shape out the whole shape of the mouth, like the whole thing. I'm going to take it up and you'll see me create the outline of what I'm going to be filling in. So basically you're about to just watch how I outline all the upper teeth and then all the bottom teeth. It's pretty self-explanatory if you watch it. But yeah. And you also see me do some few little details like the little black squares that I'm filling in and like the 2 extra lines underneath the whole mouth outline. And that's just to add some depth, just so it's not like super flat. It's not just like, oh, skull mouth, you know? And I'm also, to make it a little bit more, like to give more depth, like I said, I put a little bit of like black space in between all the teeth because nobody's teeth are like perfectly symmetrically next to them. So that's what those little black spaces are. You'll be able to tell more once I fill it in with the white. Now we have the most tedious part. Oh brother, if you are trying this look or a similar look, beware of this part. It's so long and tedious. I'm not using white paint because I want this to be an all makeup look. So I am using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk, which is obviously just all white. And I'm literally taking a like small little tiny detailed liner brush and going in between all these black lines and filling it in. It was very tedious, but it needed to be done. Filling in the teeth was like the wildest part, especially when I got right on top of my lips because I'm like, I cannot salivate at all. Like no spit, no nothing can like come from my inner lip, if you know what I mean. Like it was very difficult keeping my lips dry. And everything is not like super perfect. You'll see me go over some of the black lines a little bit, but that's okay because we're going to be building up both the black and the white color. So I'm going to go back through after I'm done with all the white and we'll go back with another black liner and just fill back over the black parts and make sure that they are sharp and that none of the white parts smeared anything. Everything is, you know, clean lined. Now you see me going back in with the black liner and making sure that any of the black that was covered by the white is redefined. We're not going to let the white take the shine from the black, okay? We're going back over all the black, making sure all of that is crisp and not mixed. And then we are taking a like pencil liner and outlining the bottom half of the mouth. And to add just a little bit more depth, a little bit more something to the bottom, I'm taking a small white line with a white liquid liner and putting that outside of the like bottom of the mouth, and then filling it in with black. Look how fast and how black that got filled. But I'm taking my James Charles Morphe palette and I'm going into the white shade, and now I am just setting everything that I filled in white. I'm just setting it just to not only make it more opaque and to redefine, but to make sure that it's not going to move. Now I'm taking same liquid pencil felt, what are these called? Felt tips. The same liquid felt tip liner and then the same pencil liner, and just creating the nose. And now I'm going to take these two colors in the James Charles Morphe palette, and my lids are already primed with concealer. I am just blending those two colors on my lid. I didn't want to do like a super like black lid, which is why I mixed these two colors. I don't know, I just kind of like it with like the super dark brown and the black instead of having it like a pure black. But yeah. The easiest foundation application ever, because like it's just on my forehead and my cheeks. So yeah, I just put on foundation on my exposed skin, and I'm going back to that black shadow and I'm blending it like above, like in front of the start of my lid, just to like make it more skull like. I really like the way that this transforms the look. But yeah, that is the last step.